Hi everyone, my name is Judy and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you how to say how much in Cebuano dialect. So how much? Pila, or you can say tagpila, pila, tagpila. So if you wanna know how much is this, you would say pila ni. Pila ni. Okay, or you can use pila ni. And then how much is that? You say pila na. Pila na. And then how much is that one over there? And you say pila to. Pila to. So how much is pila? Or you can say tagpila. Okay? Tagpila ni, tagpila na, tagpila to. So you can choose which one of the two you're gonna use. So it's actually depends on you. So you can use tagpila ni, tagpila na, pila na, tagpila to. So there's not much difference actually. So but you can use tagpila or just pila. Okay, so check out my other videos about our Cebuano dialect. So you'll be surprised how easy it is to learn the Cebuano dialect. Hope to see you again next time, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.